Morning, everyone. It is Thursday, and you know what day that is. Cows get the hay day. Oh, I will get past here. I'm going to have to do some maneuvering. That's all. Cody needs to move his Ranger, but it's fine. He can't really move it to its spot. Okay. We're taking a walk. We are seeing how the cows are going to get hay today because it's muddy. It's real muddy. So, I hear ya. I was thinking I'd come this way. So if I come this way, I got a big old hill. Hi, good morning. This is about the only way I'm gonna get it in.
I don't need to go in the water.
I was thinking, so we have, this is steeper than it looks. It's a big hill here. Because if I bring the skid steer down here, I'm gonna get stuck. And if I bring Hark over here, I'm really gonna get stuck. So, if I bring the hay over here as far as I can and set it down nicely, with the boys' help, we should be able to roll it in.
Yeah, I'll just roll down the hill.
Yeah, but if it rolls down this hill, it should still roll towards the in. Towards in. So we're gonna give that a try and see what we can do. Won't be a problem, but these round bales are heavy. They're big. So, time to get on the skid steer and play in the mud.
gonna have to wait a couple days.
No, I'll get it out. I just have to get the
Pallet forks off.
pallet forks off. Go ahead. Flip. Do you need me? Because
Flip
this
it.
is
I mean, if
rolling.
you want to watch the count. No, it ain't gonna go nowhere. It's just until it hits the logs, it'll stop. Flip it. Just flip it. Go from there.
Make sure this don't roll away. He is not getting his H.
Trucks will slide down the hill.
Hey, you give me some credit, would you please?
Hey.
I've done some mudding in my time. The decision was made to take down the fence that you see there on the right of the skid steer, and I was able to get onto a part that had a little bit of traction from ruts from the year before, and so I was able to get just up to the top of this hill and go no further.
I think she got it. Go find it.
There she comes. It just needed a little to get out of that slick mud. I know. Well, my boys rescued me again. I was going to bring my truck down, but Caleb decided to bring his little excavator, which actually worked good. I thought it would make a bigger mess, but
I thought it wouldn't work at all. That's like 2 times heavier than it.
yeah, they rescued me. Welcome to Pennsylvania, where we get rain on our red clay and then it turns into a slip and slide. I'll show you. We have, hold on, I'll flip you around. We have nothing but clay here. So you can see this, that's all this is clay. So of course, when it rains, it turns into a nightmare, a literal nightmare, but that's okay. Most of this will just go right away and you won't even be able to tell.
Look, you can make clay snowballs.
Oh my God. You won't even be able to tell once the grass grows. There's a little bit of rats over here, but that'll grow back in. It'll be fine. Hey, the cow's got to eat. The cow's got to eat. So I was trying real hard here to get it straight. Yeah, that's nothing. I'll just kick this back over. One other thing that I did, oh, you can't see with the glare. One other thing that I did a couple days ago, was it Christmas Eve that I did this, Harley?
I'm sure it was last night.
No, it wasn't yesterday. These days all go together. It might have been Tuesday morning. I extended this winter paddock here a little bit more because right here we have a natural spring, and while in the summer it will go dry, in the winter it stays and it's crystal clear. Oh.
Okay, yeah, that's on. I wanted to make sure, okay?
The fence works.
I don't remember turning it on.
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyways, it stays
That's
crystal clear.
nice.
Crystal clear and clean. And when we get mud like this, we won't have to come over and water them because they'll have water naturally. So that's a good
In my brain.
You're an idiot. Where did I get this clown from? We left the horses in again today because, well, the mud. With the weather like this, with all the mud, it just rips everything up, as you can see. And horse hooves are especially bad. Look, she was playing in the mud. Yeah, we gotta come down and brush you.
Bubs!
Buck doing buck things. No, I'm not touching that. No.
He's nasty.
Nobody's touching it. No. No, sir. You are cute, though. We're not impressed. We're not impressed. We are not impressed. These ladies don't seem to care either, Bubs, I'm going to tell you. Danny's starting to get a little bag on her. I don't know why this is here. Got the scrap pile on the way up. And Freya is too. Got a baby belly there. I put my orders in from the doelings that they're gonna give me, right?
I don't think she's gonna get them. Okay, here's our luck. We're gonna get all brown. Just brown.
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 All box.
And cream.
Oh,
Brown
yeah.
and cream. That's it.
Yeah.
And they're pretty. That's what Bridget
That's how we got Bridget. I'm just turning these off because who knows when he'll be down. That's how we got Bridget. I told Danny about 2 weeks before she delivered her kids that round that I wanted at least one doeling. I didn't care what color it was. And I got Bridget. That was the only time Danny ever gave us a doeling. So now,
Danny never gave us a triplet.
yeah. So now, a few weeks before they deliver, I just tell them what I want. I told Bridget I wanted a doeling too, and I didn't care what color, and we got Solstice. So this time I was a little more specific, and I told them that I wanted doelings and what colors I wanted, so we'll see if that happens. One's black with white moon spots, and the other one would be black with Swiss markings.
We're gonna get cream.
We probably will get the colors I want, but they'll be bucklings.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, probably. And since they're Bub's babies, we're not going to be keeping any. I gotta put this in the scrap.
Except for doelings.
Yeah, we can keep doelings.
Only doelings.
All right, guys. That's all for today. I'm gonna go get out of these muddy clothes, and we're gonna see you guys tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.